Today, the children are learning a dance. It's called a square dance. Children stand in a square. Oh dear, that's only 3 sides. A square has 4 sides. Otto, do you want to dance? Me? I can't dance. Please, Otto, it's a square dance. Okay, but I can't dance. Oh, good. Now there are 4 sides for the square dance.